Welcome to our exploration of one of the most vital components of the cell, the nucleus. Often referred to as the cell's control center, the nucleus houses genetic information that determines how a cell functions, grows, and divides. Let's begin by taking a closer look at its structure. The nucleus is surrounded by a protective layer known as the nuclear envelope. Imagine it as a double-walled security system. This envelope consists of two membranes that separate the nucleus from the rest of the cell. It's studded with specialized gateways called nuclear pores, which carefully regulate what enters and exits, allowing molecules like RNA and ribosome subunits to pass through while keeping the delicate DNA safely inside. Now, inside the envelope, the genetic material is organized in a specific way. Instead of floating freely, DNA wraps around proteins called histones to form a complex structure known as chromatin. Most of the time, chromatin appears as a diffuse network, allowing the cell to access the genes needed for its daily functions. But when the cell prepares to divide, something fascinating happens. Chromatin condenses into distinct thread-like chromosomes that ensure each daughter cell receives a full set of instructions. Moving further in, we come to a very special area, the nucleolus. This small, dense region is a bustling factory within the nucleus. Its primary role is to manufacture ribosomal RNA, or rRNA. Think of it as assembling the cell's protein-making machinery, the ribosomes. In cells that are actively producing proteins, the nucleolus is particularly prominent, reflecting its high activity. Suspended throughout the nucleus is a fluid medium known as the nucleoplasm, similar to the cytoplasm outside, but with a composition that supports nuclear activities. This semi-fluid substance contains the enzymes, nucleotides, and ions necessary for the complex processes taking place within. To keep everything organized, there's an internal scaffold called the nuclear matrix. This matrix not only gives the nucleus its shape, but also plays a role in arranging chromatin, ensuring that genes are correctly positioned for transcription. The true significance of the nucleus lies in its function. The nucleus serves as the command center of the cell. Inside its chromatin, genetic information is stored in the form of DNA. This DNA is the blueprint for all cellular activities. When a cell needs to create a particular protein, it accesses the relevant segment of DNA and transcribes it into messenger RNA, or mRNA. This mRNA then exits the nucleus and travels to the ribosomes, where it is translated into the corresponding protein. This process, from DNA to RNA to protein, is the central dogma of molecular biology, and it all starts here within the nucleus. And let's not forget, the nucleus plays a crucial role in DNA replication. Before a cell divides, it needs to copy its genetic material so that each new cell has an identical set of instructions. This replication ensures that the information is passed down faithfully from one cell generation to the next. In summary, the nucleus is far more than a static storage compartment. It's a dynamic hub of activity, a place where critical decisions are made, blueprints are transcribed, and new ribosomes are built. Its structure is intricately designed to support its roles in gene expression, protein production, and inheritance. Without the nucleus, life as we know it simply wouldn't function. Thank you for joining me in this journey through the cell's control center. the nucleus. Next time, we'll delve deeper into other cellular organelles and uncover their roles in maintaining the marvel of life.